yourself, song creation could be an effortless act. You know, creating a new song is different for each artist. Each artists are unique with their different styles and all that. Yeah. Think about the word effortless. Effortless. Just imagine I'm making this video effortlessly without the usual editing and writing down words, just to make it more organized and all. But still, this particular clip is it's not scripted down. It's more like a freestyle. Rap music, hip hop, Afrobeats, some other genres, which includes chants. Sometimes they don't tell the usual framework. They don't use the usual framework. They just jump on the beat and drop that thing. The framework had to be adopted, which includes the verb, the verses, the hooks, and the bridges.
Okay, so new music to me is made is a result of your heart. I mean, what's going on right now in there, and your nurture musically, like what you've been listening to, what you've trained yourself, what you grew up knowing musically. So a mix of those will just spur something new, depending on what you're going through at the moment and the sounds that you tend to express yourself through.
We create something like Okrika. It is hard to come by. It's an art. You have to understand how to drop the freestyles and everything, right? So my only concept, my only walkthrough involves just jumping on the beats and just freestyling the whole thing on it, right? So I just jump on the freestyle on the beats and I freestyle like a rapper. And the song could just enter. I could just name the song based on the context of the lyrics where I drop on top of the beats. That's how they make music as an artist, right? That's what's up. So this is like a best practice for creating new songs. It's as easy as just doing this. Looking for joy in the morning, waiting for things to come out, waiting for money to come in. Takes me about some time. I live on, I move on to the destiny land. I work on, no time for jokes, everything working fine. Joy, joy. I'll just use the context of the vocals or the lyrics of the vocals I just recorded to make a new song. I'm at the top of the top artists, especially in rap music and Afrobeats, So they do this. So they let the music direct them, not them directing the music. So when the vocals come in and the different beats that they get inspired to drop vocals on, then they can construct their EP easily, their albums easily. I guess this is how Joey and Tetri make his EPs, his EP, his tracks and all that. Yeah, I'm Joey Omanuel, by the way.